We have been approached by Public Health England to come up with a campaign to tackle the issue of physically inactive parents and limit the amount of time that they spend sitting down. We also want to highlight to people the serious health implications that come along with being physically inactive if that sort of behaviour persists. We have decided to target full-time working parents, and we have also decided to run a number of vox pops on our target audience in order to find out what it is that is preventing them from being more active. We have looked upon a number of government statistics such as how active are we within the UK. This highlighted to us things such as 1 in 4 women and 1 in 5 men in England are classed as physically inactive, doing less than 30 minutes of moderate physical activity per week. And the crazy thing is that none of them are even aware of it, which makes it a harder problem to tackle as we need to raise their awareness as well as change their behaviour. We asked, during our research, when asked about the problem, many of our target audience seemed to highlight that their main problem was not having enough time within their already busy day-to-day lives. Most of them seem to already have all their free time preoccupied by doing things such as caring for the children, doing household chores, and on-the-go jobs. So, after gathering all this research, we needed to decide how we were going to tackle this problem, and we decided we were going to do it in a way in which we know where their attention already lies. We created this persona based on our majority of data gathered from our vox pops. The persona is of a single full-time working mother called Jessica. And as you can see, Jessica is social with other mums. She doesn't watch much TV. She's family orientated. She's a mother. She takes regular public transport. She lives in London. And she's aged 25 to 35 and, of course, is a full-time worker. This is an image of what we would perceive one of our target audience to look like, aka Jessica. We believe that the main reasons as to why anyone would want to participate in our campaign is if they feel self-conscious about their well-being and want to find a way to improve their well-being without feeling too detached from their everyday responsibilities. It also might be an incentive for them to want to stay fit for their children. We have decided to run a number of ads through public transport, as this is where our research has shown that our target audience is best reached at. These ads will portray everyday situations to address them in a way where it is most relatable. Our campaign will have the line "Stand up for your health," as using a famous song's lyrics will increase the chance of our message sticking in our audience heads and eventually leading for it to become more active. Thank you for listening.